Today I'm installing a set of carbon fiber exhaust tips on the seat.
Another one.
We've installed probably 20 sets of these so far. We're gonna do it a little different today. First we're gonna take up the exhaust housing. I begin by cutting the old tips out with a Harbor Freight die grinder. This is how we usually do the tips, cutting them inside out, but this time we decided to do something different. We removed the back bumper. This took probably about 15 minutes. You have the 3 screws on each side and probably like 12 screws on the top. We remove the bumper, then we use a reciprocal saw to cut the tips. This is much faster than using the die grinder. Probably cut the time in less than half by using a reciprocal saw. It goes through it like butter. The next thing we need to do is use some VH flame resistant paint to paint the tips. We don't want to get any rust or anything, and when you look inside the tips, you want it to be all black. You don't want to see a silver outline. The exhaust bracket bolts should be facing inward. This allows more clearance for your ratchet or open-end wrench. Line up the tip, hold in place, and then tighten the bolt. Notice the bolts are facing inward. Remove the masking tape and repeat on the other side. We usually clamp on the tips, but you can also tack weld these from the inside without taking off the bumper. If you weld these tips on like this, don't forget to disconnect the battery. I want to thank Russell Muscle for the welding clip. Please check out his channel. He has a lot of car content. If you have the black tips on your car that looks like these, you will have to weld these on from the inside. You have to tack weld them. There's no way to clamp those on. Another thing, these tips are different sizes. You can see the one on the right is bigger than the one on the left. So you'll need 2 different size tips. The exhaust tone with these tips installed is much louder than the stock tips. We're getting ready to rev the engine up so you can hear how it sounds.
watching a master at work.
Stay tuned for more videos. We'll try to do a new mod every week on the channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.